So to start using this vape, the first thing you do is unscrew this top part, which exposes the herb chamber. Now loading the chamber is actually really cool because they give you a filling tool that actually attaches to the top and lets you perfectly and neatly pack it every time. The way this thing works is you take off the top piece. This is where you would load your ground up herb. So once you have your stuff in here, you would then unscrew the bottom part. You could set this part down. And then this part is going to screw into the base just like the top piece would. So just line it up, tighten it, and there you go. So then you take off the top part again. You remove this little spacer thing, and then you basically just shake it or tap it, and your herb will fall into the chamber. And just fill it up until it gets a little bit above the line where the rim is in there. Then you're going to take the spacer piece, stick it back in, unscrew the top piece, and you'll have a perfectly packed chamber. Once you have the chamber packed, you could take the top piece and screw it back on, like that, and then hold the power button down for 2 seconds to turn it on. Now when you turn it on, it's going to vibrate and the lights are going to blink, and then the light will turn red while it heats up. So after about 90 seconds, it'll vibrate again, and the light will turn green to indicate that it reached, vaping temperature. Once it reaches your target temperature, you could just swing your mouthpiece out and then start taking draws from it. This is one of those vapes, like most, that you need to take a fairly long draw from if you want to get a lot of vapor. Through my testing, I found that if you only take like a 5-second draw, all you're going to get is like a light vapor. It'll still be good, but it'll be light. And if you want a lot of vapor like you see me getting, you are going to have to take like a 10 to 12 second draw.